Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change font style of an Instagram name. So let's start. First of all, you have to log into your Instagram account and then go to your profile, click on edit profile, and then you just simply copy your name from here. After that, you just go to your Chrome browser and open it, and you just type the lingojam.com in the search bar. It is a very good font making website. So here you just simply paste your name and scroll down and you see a lot of designs. So you just simply select the one. I'm just going to copy this font and then go back to your Instagram profile, and then here you just simply select all and paste there, and then click on the check mark. That's it. Now you will be able to change font style of an Instagram name. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.